Welcome to the Yoga Secret YouTube channel. Today, I will be guiding you through a short meditation to connect your body, mind, and soul with the power of the ocean. I invite you to close your eyes and take a moment to settle into a comfortable position as you take a deep, nourishing breath. I will guide you through this short but powerful meditation to deeply connect with the healing energy of the ocean and Mother Earth. As you breathe in, feel your shoulders drop, creating length in your neck. And as you breathe out, feel the space between your eyebrows. Take another deep breath in, allowing the renewing energy to move through you. And as you breathe out, feel any unwanted thoughts melt away for the next few minutes. Focus on being here in the present, connecting to the energy of the ocean. Now, imagine you are standing or sitting on the shoreline where the waves are breaking gently onto the sand. Ocean water is moving back and forth in a constant, peaceful rhythm. You are watching the waves swell and roll gently towards you. The water feels cruel but comfortable as it makes contact with your skin. The wave slows and moves gently. Your body embraces the wave in the cool ocean water and spreads a feeling of tranquility through your skin, your body, and your soul. As the ocean water retreats, it removes any negative energy from you. And as a new wave swells and rolls powerfully towards you, it brings new vibrant energy. Stand or sit here on the shoreline and continue to watch each wave swell. Each wave brings you strength and clarity and removes all that doesn't serve you. Each wave clears, heals, and harmonizes your body in your soul as you bathe in this beautiful, tranquil water. Ask the ocean to bring what you need. Think of one or two words such as clarity, alignment, connection, whatever it is that you feel you need more of today. Before we come back to this space, first allow a deep sense of gratitude to yourself for being here. Sharing your energy with others, and thank the ocean for its simplicity, its power, its strength, its beauty, and its peace. When you are ready, bring some gentle movement back to your body and take a slow, deep breath as you release and gently open your eyes. Take all the time you need to come back to the present moment. Thank you for meditating with me today. Namaste.